Here I've got QILIVE 5039D, and let me show you how to activate and use Talkback on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then find and choose settings. Now scroll down a bit and here you will notice accessibility. Just click on it and now click on Talkback. So here it is. If you would like to activate spoken feedback to what you can see on your device on your display, just tap on the switcher. And now confirm that you are giving the permission to use all of these features, click on OK, and now the Talkback is active. Here you've got some quick tutorial on how to use Talkback. You can go through all of it, but basically all you have to do is to tap once on some particular icon, for example this one, and then double tap to select it. Let me volume it up a bit so you can clearly hear it. And let me show you how to use it. So one tap to select something, then you're provided with the name of the icon, and then double press to switch it off. And it's all. If you would like to turn Talkback off, just click on Talkback, double tap to open it, click on the icon, and then double tap to switch it off, then select OK, and confirm it by tapping twice on it. So this is it. This is how you can activate, deactivate, and obviously use Talkback in your device in your QILIVE 5039D. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.